As the UK's only specialist agency to supply temporary and permanent vehicle technicians and MOT testers, Autotech Recruit operates the largest network of pre-screened, experienced and highly skilled contractors in the country. Since our launch in 2010, we have been trusted by independent garages, dealerships, national retail groups and government organisations across the UK to help keep their workshops running. Our UK-wide network of over 450 contractors ensure that the productivity and efficiency of your garage is maintained. We can provide any level of cover with a fast turnaround. Our technicians could be working in your garage the very next day. Our bespoke client portal gives your business complete real-time visibility over bookings and placements. Understanding your temporary team has never been simpler. Our experienced MOT testers and vehicle technicians, many with manufacturer training, will keep your workshop running in times of staff shortages, providing cover for sickness, vacancies, holiday, training days and business peaks. We are acutely aware that temporary staff have to comply with our clients' high standards and government regulations, so we thoroughly assess our contract MOT testers and technicians' qualifications and experience. Utilising temporary staff in your garage can ensure that your ramps are not empty and continue to generate extra profit for your site. Our research indicates that an empty ramp can cost your business up to £3,000 per week in lost revenue. Our experienced MOT testers and vehicle technicians can benefit your garage by maintaining and improving recovery rates, improving utilisation, efficiency and productivity, reducing your lead times, improving customer satisfaction and retention, ensuring manufacturers' standards compliance. Our technicians can be utilised outside of normal work shifts to ensure your garage can adapt to meet increased demand, staying open for longer and making sure that your customers' expectations are met.